Good morning, Cloud. Today I'm gonna hold with the PETCHAY because my mommy told me so. So, Daddy, we have school so I can see the squeakers. Here's my assistant, Squeakers. That's gonna hold school because school doesn't have legs. Look. Squeak doesn't have arms, so Squeak can't hold anything. So, here's Squeakers. And don't hold Squeakers like that. Hold Squeakers like this. I'll show you how to hold Squeakers. Hold Squeakers like this.
Okay.
Okay, so I think I can start with this one because
I'll assist you with this.
oh, thumbs up. Hello, Flanders. It's me, Tyler. Go first. Guavabanana. You can learn like in Minecraft and your clap is all a long time ago. And you'll hold this thing. They already sprouted. They sprouted, and I have a company. I got 2 companies. It's not mommy or daddy. I'm putting
the base.
I'm keeping it in my hands. So I have when my hands full with this, I'm gonna put it in.
You can put it very sprouted. Look.
Squeaker can't give it thumbs up. Let me see if there's another. Squirrel doesn't have hands or legs. So squirrel has to be carried all the time.
Yeah.
And look, that's a man. Perfect.
I can see the lemon leaves. It smells good.
And the smell. It smells nice. I'll check over here. I'll try not to get tangled. I'll take this. There. Got this. I'll take this. This
Start
is
from here. Hey, what are you doing? Don't play with the leaves. Start here.
okay. Is it okay if this has this?
Okay.
Oh.
So mommy can choose what she likes.
And what he doesn't. I'll
I
try.
think you need to get all the big leaves.
I am. I'm just thinking which one that do I like. This still has leaves. Maybe
Careful with the baby leaves.
why can't I cut the babies?
Oh.
Mom will definitely pick this one because it's so perfect and big. Going to come down here. I'm picking the one that looks good. Oops.
Let's put them here.
Here.
And that one. I'm gonna wash it.
This one.
Okay, I think this is enough.
No, it's not enough for me.
What?
This. Still not enough.
I think we can save that for tomorrow. Bye-bye.
I found another perfect.
Hi, Squeaker.
Hi, Squeaker. Bye-bye, this is the end of the video.